Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I thought we were done with this project. Well, we've got the first coat on, it's ready, and we're ready to do the second coat. And I told you I had a couple thoughts and ideas for you. And this time, I'm not going to saturate it as much, and I'm not even going to use a paintbrush and cut it all in. All I'm going to do is put a thin coat on here because we've already cut in nicely all the way around here, and we got plenty of sealer up close to the edges as well as in the grout lines. There's no sense in overdoing it, right? So I'm just going to put a thin coat on here over the entire thing. I'm not even going to concentrate on doing anything in the grout lines because there's plenty of sealer in the grout lines, okay? So I can do this a lot quicker because I don't have to concentrate on getting sealer in the grout lines and all the way around the edges and all that. You know what I mean? But I'm still going to do a good job. Around here, I'm just going to get in as close as I can without hitting anything. And do the rest down here. Okay? Let's see if you can, hopefully you caught that. Just went around this like this, see, like that. Now, if this was a brand new shower and I was putting a second coat on, then yeah, I'd probably cut everything in again, you know. But I've sealed this same shower a couple years ago, and it's ready to have been cleaned and sealed again. So on the second coat this time, I don't have to overdo things. I don't have to cut it all back in or anything. I'm just putting a thin, once-over second coat, and that's it. See, I can kind of go around there like that. And it's still going to look really good. It's going to last. I don't have to spend too much time on this. I got another floor. I got the bathroom floor to still do. So I can flip that over, flip it over this way, go around, get that fairly close. I still got the bathroom floor to do, the shower floor still I gotta get done, and the kitchen floor. But you know what? I'm pretty quick at this now. Let's get you up there. I'm just gonna go up about 1.5 inches from the ceiling. Right there, if you have to, you can flip your roller around, flip it back over, get over that way, work this way, up over the top. Once you do this once or twice, you'll get good at it. Okay? And you'll be able to feel comfortable that, hey, Joe can do it, you certainly can do it too. Okay, let's see what I can do here. I'm going to get in the camera a little bit, but you'll get the idea, right? See, this is my second coat. I'm just going for it. Not cutting it in or anything. Dipping. Loop it around, go the other direction. I don't have to take this extension pull off one time when I'm doing this. Now if I want, I can back up this way. I can go down this way if I want. You know. There we go. Oh yeah, come on baby. This way, back this way if I want. This way. I can continue it up. Or I can go one tile at a time if I want. So I'm using this almost like without an extension cord. I'm just using this much. And that's working. All I gotta do is put in a thin, even layer over that. Man, obsessed. And possessed. How about possessed? Ah. Okay, I've already done that one. I'll have to do this one here. Well, just keep it going. I've got to do one more wall after this, and I'll show you how to do the floor in a second. Yeah. All right. Let's just show some more, shall we? You're not going to get everything because I don't have somebody running the camera. I just have it on the tripod. But even a small little shower, don't be afraid to use your extension pole in there. You know, hold the pole in different directions. See there? I don't have to run it the same way. I can run it sideways. I can move out and go this way. Or I can go in here like that, carefully up around the edge. That way. Around the soap dish. I'm just going to put a little bit on the soap dish too, just on the top this time. And like I said, if this is a brand new shower, then cut it in, just like I did on the first coat. If you're just putting another coat of sealer on a couple years later down the road, make sure that you clean it first. I've got videos on how to clean the shower. I don't have any updated ones, but I've got some from a long time ago. You just have to look for them on my channel. It's important to get them clean so that your sealer bonds nice and properly. It's not going over any scumminess or slimy bits on the wall, soap scum, or whatever, you know. And this is a resealer from a few years ago, and I'm still putting 2 coats. That's why I'm putting the second coat, a thin, quick coat on here, just because that's what I do. I could have just left 1 coat on here, right? Could have done that, but because I'm all set up and everything, it doesn't really take that much longer to put a second thin little coat on. It'll last that much longer. All right. Whew, I'm working up a sweat. Okay, let's do the floor now. I'm going to put sealer on the floor. What I do is I'll go around the edges first, just with the roller, like this. And I'm not going to get down there with the paintbrush and do all the seams this time. I'm just concentrating on the surface, and if I get any on the joints, that's fine. But I've already got plenty on the joints from last time when I saturated it with my paintbrush, remember? That's why I do it with the paintbrush the first coat. Okay, so now I can take this and I can go back and forth, side to side, just over the top, right? Just over the top, right over the drain, trying to keep track of where I put the sealer, where I haven't put the sealer, while I'm walking and stuff. Notice, I don't know if you noticed, I got black shoes on, they're kind of cloth. I have yet to get any sealer on them at all. Okay, when you're careful, you can do it. Okay, now I can just run it this way. I'm outside the shower. It doesn't have to take you a long time to do this. Just follow my steps and my explanations on why and how I'm doing certain things. That's why I try to explain stuff on my channel. Try to give you more information. And sometimes I give so much that some people don't appreciate it. They think I'm I'm going overboard. But then other people like how I explain things. You know what I mean? They like it sometimes. So, whatever. Put another little bit on the step. I'm gonna be doing this floor. I'm gonna get some on the little extension piece here. You know, the rise right there. Just put it on there. Just like that. Move the door. There, I'm done with the shower. Hey, you want to know how to do the floor? I've done the floor in another bathroom. I'll give you some nice tips on that. Look for that on my channel.